Ian doing? Where we just...
You gotta stand next to the road, and I gotta try to get you.
Me and him built this air gun. Here, hold this. Here's what it looks like. We have to pump it up with a bicycle pump.
We got a tire valve right here. You pump it up. I pump it up to the pressure's 20, and I pump it up about until it gets to 20.
We're gonna show you what we can, and it can shoot. It can shoot sharpies, airsoft bullets, and nerf bullets. Look at the smoke come out of that.
I'll show you where it is. Zoom out so they think it's.
I can't zoom. He's going to get the bullet right now. If you want to see, he wants to see it shoot airsoft bullets. Oh, it can't?
Well, it can. I can make it shoot airsoft bullets.
You just don't want to right now.
Just right now, I gotta get a couple of, like pen tubes.
Oh,
because
yeah.
they fit in it, and then I need a Nerf bullet. And then I'll stick it down this pipe right here.
So it's just like making an airsoft gun out of a Nerf gun.
It's just
or
like it's just like making a Nerf on an airsoft gun out of a Nerf gun. Yeah. See, it fits pretty tight in there. So I just take that part off and
hot glue it.
Electrical tape the pen tubes together after I disassemble the whole thing, and I use the pen body.
Who wants to see it shoot sharpies then?
And then I drop the airsoft again.
Oh.
It shot pretty good, Dad. Okay.
You get the sharpies.
I can find if I can find one.
Here's
okay,
one.
Here I found one.
Alright.
Sharpie. Yeah. Gabe, can you hold that up?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Done.
It didn't go that far because
I'll go retrieve the bullet. Here you have it. The book. This is it for this video. Stay tuned in for part 2.